Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and it is a box full of Rodial products, and this is Cohorted's December luxury subscription box. If you're new to Cohorted and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside the December box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Cohorted is voted the #1 luxury beauty subscription box in the UK, and it ships worldwide. It costs £39.99 a box, and within the UK shipping is included, and the shipping out to the UK is calculated at checkout. Inside you'll find products related to all aspects of beauty: makeup, skincare, hair care, nail care, body care, you name it, and you'll find it in this box with some really great well-known brands. And also we might have some newbie products that haven't been released yet or just been released in shops, which is quite exciting. Each box has a value of around £100. Sometimes we've had double that. I think last month it was £280 odd worth of products. So yeah, so definitely more than what you pay for it. Every month has a different theme. Some months they have a brand takeover. For instance, this month it's all Rodial products. I absolutely love Rodial, and I could not help but have a look, and there's a few products in there that I'm really excited about. It's products that I've tried and I love, so I really like the fact that I've got them again. Next month they've got a sneak peek ready for January, and it looks like it's going to be another brand takeover, and this time they're all products from Haircare Organics. And yeah, winning over 40 awards, including 2020 Organic Beauty Award winners for Best Skincare Brand. Haircare promises to provide natural radiant skin and natural ingredients. So that's what we'll be receiving next month. Now, Cohorted works in a different way to other subscription boxes, in that if you subscribe now in December, your first box will be the January box. If you're watching this wanting this Rodial box, then you will have to wait until around the middle of the month onwards. It might well be up there now, so it's worth checking. You never know, but you'll have to wait around the middle of the month, I'd say, and you might be able to purchase that month's box as a one-off for £50. They have got lots of different boxes on there. They've got lots of different pass boxes. They've got letterbox, little gift boxes as well. Yeah, they've got lots and lots of boxes. So well worth taking a look to see if there's anything that takes your fancy there. If you're able to purchase this Rodial box for £50, then I will pop a link down in my description, as well as links to the subscription. And also, if you're new to Cohorted, if you use code COHORTEDGIFTME, that will entitle you to receive a free gift with your first box. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. And yeah, I think that is it. If I miss anything out, then please ask away. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. So inside we get a little card, and it details everything about the products inside the box. And this month's box has a value of £214. And we've got a QR code there. So if you want to learn more information about the products inside the box, then you've got a code there that you can use to look them up. But they've got the prices, so I'll refer to this card as we go along. But look. Ah! Knew that would happen. Knew. If you've been following me on social media for a while, you'll probably know that I am obsessed with Rodial's vitamin C range. I absolutely love it. I received a limited edition box a couple of years ago, and I used all the products in there. I used a cleanser, I had vitamin C drops, I had a serum, I had a moisturiser, I had an eye cream, some of the sheet masks as well. So yeah, I am really happy that we've got some items in here. Now these are fab. There's 3 sheet masks here, and they're from the vitamin C range. It says energizing face mask, brighten and renew, instant rejuvenating, retexturizing and illuminating mask with vitamin C, vitamin B3, amino acids and hyaluronic acid. And then it's got information on the back there on how to use it. I've tried a load of sheet masks, and sometimes I don't feel like they really do much to my skin, except for like it's the same as applying a serum. But no, these ones do. I really like the way my skin feels afterwards. Yeah, I do really love them. So there's 3 masks in this box, and they have a combined total of £42. There you go. Next up we've got a brightening cleanser, again from the vitamin C range. It contains lactic acid, glycolic acid and fruit acid complex, again to brighten and renew, and there's 135 mils here. I started using this range about a month or 2 after I had electrolysis on my face to get rid of sebaceous hyperplasia, which are lumps under the skin. it's like spots under the skin basically. I used to suffer really badly from cystic acne. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome. I'm now on medication, so the acne is gone, but when the acne all disappeared, I was like, what the heck are all these lumps? And yeah, apparently you can't get rid of them unless you go for something like laser or electrolysis. As soon as I started using this range, I felt like my skin started to improve quicker, if you know what I mean. It started to repair itself quicker than what it was previously doing. So yeah, definitely works. So what can I tell you about this one? A super brightening wake-up call for the skin. This daily cleanser contains a complex combination of acids and vitamin C, known for its skin brightening effects to make skin look luminous and youthful. Also formulated with fruit AHAs to exfoliate the skin and brighten pores to reveal a renewed complexion. It's cost £39. And this is full size. Next, again from the vitamin C range, we have got a brightening mask. A lightweight gel mask infused with vitamin C and a blend of exfoliating fruit AHAs. I'm just repeating myself. To even skin tone and gently resurface the complexion. And we've got 20 mils here. Now, I don't think I've tried this one. It says apply a thin layer and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times a day. And this mask is worth £34. Then we got a product from the Dragon's Blood range, and this is a sculpting gel to hydrate and tone, and there's 9 mils here. Whoa, 9 mils? There's a heck of a lot of packaging in that for 9 mils. I was thinking it was going to say 30 mils or something. You push the top there. It says, gently massage onto cleansed skin and neck and allow to absorb thoroughly. For best results, use morning and night. Okay, let's have a go. Ooh. See, comes at the top there. Oh, it smells fruity. I've got a Dragon's Blood serum. I've got a Dragon's Blood eye cream, but I don't think I've actually got a sculpting gel, like a moisturiser. This sculpting gel is worth £19. So there's that. And lastly, we have got some retinol drops. Retinol rejuvenating concentrate with bakuchiol extract and vitamin B5. And there's 31 mils there. 10% retinol complex. Retinol is a potent skin rejuvenating active that delivers proven anti-aging results. Boosts skin rejuvenation, reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and age spots, even skin tone, minimises the look of pores. Massage gently 2 to 3 drops onto cleansed skin and neck, paying particular attention to areas with expression lines. Allow to dry thoroughly. For best results, use once or twice a week at night time only. Do you know, I am actually on a Skin and Me subscription, which is a tretinoin skin cream subscription. Even though I haven't got any acne, I am left with acne scarring, redness, pigmentation, fine lines, and yeah, little pitting scars, which I don't like there. So I subscribe and I have a tretinoin cream sent to me, so I use that at night. But I'm thinking maybe I will use this for my neck and chest, because I don't use the cream all down there because I just haven't got enough. But it makes sense, doesn't it? And maybe on my hands as well. Yeah, I'll have to look into that and make sure that they don't overlap somehow. But how much would this cost? Whoa, these retinol booster drops cost £80. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Cohorted Beauty Box, a Rodial skincare takeover. So we've got some retinol drops. We've got a Dragon's Blood sculpting gel. We've got a vitamin C brightening mask. We've got a vitamin C brightening cleanser. And lastly, we've got vitamin C energizing sheet masks, and there's 3 of them in total. The cost of the box is £39.99 and it has a value of £214. I love this month's box. I'm so grateful to Cohorted for sending this out to me. Ooh, what am I doing with my ties? Just flapping all over the place. Yeah, I really love it. So chuffed to have a few vitamin C products in there. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? What do you think of next month's box, the Inica Organics box? That's quite exciting because I haven't tried many products from that brand before. So yeah, I'd love to hear what you think anyway. Even if you think, nah, it's not for me, I'd still love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye.